Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, hi, my name is Elaine. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my closure wig to look like a frontal. So like I said, this is how it came, and it's just an ordinary lace. I only used foundation, I think is it foundation or concealer under it to kind of like make it look like my tone. And then I went ahead to blow dry the hair. I blew dry, I mean I blew dry whatever the hair, and then I used mousse to kind of like tame all of the flyaways. So I'm just going to be putting it on my head now. And for this installation I'm going to be using the ghost bond. I'm going to push it backwards and then apply my ghost bond.
Number one, forever love, my number one. Many men that try to win you, I don't really mind that just they win.
So now I have the first coat of the bond on my head, so I'm just going to allow it to dry clear. So now that the first coat of the ghost bond has dried, I'm going to go in with the second layer of the ghost bond.
Show me true love, and I'm searching for a kind of possibility, someone who truly love me for me, someone to come and be my true love, true love, true love, true love, true love.
So now I have the second layer on, and when you're applying your lace, when you're applying your ghost bond, you have to apply it like an inch, so that to be able to hold the hair in place, hold the hair down tight, you have to apply an inch, not just apply a thin line and you expect it to hold the lace. No, you have to apply it an inch apart, if that makes sense. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So now I'm just going to wait for that to dry clear before I lay my lace down. Okay, now that the second layer has dried clear, I'm just going to raise the wig up and then place it exactly where I want it to be.
Calling me the sugar in your tea, calling me the honey in your bee. Anything you want, baby boy, I believe. Oh, what am I looking for? Say my God, he don't bless me. Oh, he gave me you, gave you me, and you are the light in my day.
Okay, now that I have the lace down, now I'm just going to use my elastic band to tie my hair so that it can melt further into my scalp. Okay, now let's get into straightening of the hair, but before that I'm just going to lay down, I'm just going to hot comb the front a little bit more, and I'm going to be using the mousse. This is from Above. Is it Above or Above? Oops. Oh my God.
Many men that try to win you, I don't really mind that just they whine me. Many girls them try to win me. Baby, no go mind them just be whiny. Many times they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just stay whiny. Many girls they try to whine me.
So I'm done straightening the hair. So I'm just gonna take out the band from my head so that we can see how melted it is now. Oh. So now I'm just gonna do a little baby hairs in front. I still have a lot of flyaway, so I'm just gonna clean around the edges. So for my baby hairs, I'm just gonna be using this Got to Big gel, the black one, to do a little baby hairs on my head. So after that, I'm gonna go in and tie it down. So I'm gonna take off the band now to reveal the baby hairs. I hope it lays down flat.
What am I looking for? Say my God, he don't bless me. He gave me you, gave you me. And you are the light in my day. You're right in my day. When I see you, I know I'd be okay. Yes, and you are the one that I feel. And you know that it's real. When I think of you, I know I'd be okay. Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby.
So I'm just gonna use some concealer.
Number one, forever love, my number one.
So now this is a finished look. If you like, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Many girls that try to whine me.